Minds on Fire Presence. The wisdom of Jalaluddin Rumi, the legendary poet and mystic. The wand is the place where the light enters you. Don't grieve. Anything you lose comes round in another form. The only lasting beauty is the beauty of the heart. Do not be satisfied with the stories that come before you. Unfold your own myth. Let yourself be silently drawn by the strange pull of what you really love. It will not lead you astray. Your task is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. In the blackest of your moments, wait with no fear. The quieter you become, the more you are able to hear. When you do things from your soul, you feel a river moving in you a joy. Be a lamp or a lifeboat or a ladder. Help someone's soul heal. You were born with wings. Why prefer to crawl through life? The lion is most handsome when looking for food. Ignore those that make you fearful and sad, that degrade you back towards disease and death. Dance when you're broken open, dance if you've torn the bandage off, dance in the middle of the fighting, dance in your blood, dance when you're perfectly free. Let the beauty of what you love be what you do. Why are you so enchanted by this world when a mine of gold lies within you? Raise your words, not your voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. When I am with you, we stay up all night. When you're not here, I can't go to sleep. Silence is the language of God, all else is poor translation. Wherever you are, and whatever you do, be in love. Be like the sun for grace and mercy. Be like the night to cover others' faults. Be like running water for generosity. Don't be afraid of the empty space that is where creativity and new ideas reside. The rose's rarest essence lives in the thorns. This is love, to fly toward a secret sky, to cause 100 veils to fall each moment. First, to let go of life, finally, to take a step without feet. The breeze at dawn has secrets to tell you. Don't go back to sleep. The morning wind spreads its fresh smell. We must get up and take that in, that wind that lets us live, breathe before it's gone. You are not a drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in a drop. Don't be a candle, be a sun. Don't be a small star, be the full moon. There is a voice that doesn't use words. Listen. Live life as if everything is rigged in your favor. Be melting snow, wash yourself of yourself. The moon stays bright when it doesn't avoid the night. If light is in your heart, you will find your way home. Out beyond ideas of wrongdoing and right doing, there is a field, I'll meet you there. The cure for pain is in the pain. Be grateful for whoever comes, because each has been sent as a guide from beyond. The art of knowing is knowing what to ignore. You think you are alive because you breathe air. Shame on you that you are alive in such a limited way. Travel brings power and love back into your life. If you are irritated by every rub, how will your mirror be polished? The soul has been given its own ears to hear things that the mind does not understand. I am not this hair, I am not this skin, I am the soul that lives within. Love is the bridge between you and everything. Yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I am changing myself. Only from the heart can you touch the sky. Your heart knows the way, run in that direction. The quieter you become, the more you are able to hear. When the world pushes you to your knees, you're in the perfect position to pray. Sorrow prepares you for joy. It violently sweeps everything out of your heart so that new joy can find space to enter. The heart has its own language. The heart knows 100,000 ways to speak. Don't be a pawn in someone else's game. Find your own board. In silence there is eloquence. Stop weaving and see how the pattern improves. Lovers don't finally meet somewhere. They're in each other all along.